Today in this video I will teach you about the 5 shortcut keys. So let's go to the first shortcut key is Windows plus semicolon. When you press this key, a panel of different emojis are opened and you write this emoji on any app. And the second key is Windows plus up and down arrow key. When you press the Windows plus down arrow key, the windows will minimized, and you press the Windows plus up key, the windows will maximized. The third shortcut key is Windows plus E. When you press this key, your Explorer will be opened. The fourth one is Windows plus Shift plus S. When you press this key, a panel is open and you captured a screenshot of your computer screen. The next one is Windows plus L. When you press this key, your computer will be signed out without closing your apps and files.